Hello everybody, and today I'm bringing you this DIY acrylic video. Okay, so what you want to do first is get your loose foundation powder. Add twice as much clear acrylic. Then you're going to make sure you mix it very well to not have lumps in your acrylic. Now we're going to swatch the acrylic to see what it looks like. I decided to add a little bit more clear acrylic powder. Then of course you're going to mix again. I'm swatching it on a swatch stick and I see lumps in it, so mix until you see no more lumps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.